In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete your Chrome browser history. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to head over to Chrome. Once you're on Chrome, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on these three dots right over here. Once you do that, click on the history option. Then click on the delete browsing data. Once you do that, it's going to give you a couple of options. You can then easily delete your browsing history only, or if you want to delete your cookies, site data, and so much more like the cache data files and the saved passwords, autofill form data, you can easily delete those too. But if you just want to delete your Chrome browsing history, you can then select the Chrome browsing history. But if you want to delete some of this stuff too, you can easily select them by clicking on them. But if you just want to delete your browsing history, select your browsing history and then click on the delete data option. Once you do that, it's going to delete your browsing history. So that's how you can easily delete your Chrome browser history. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.